Hi everyone, it's Lisa with inkinspirations.com. Thank you for joining me for this card idea today with Very Versailles from Stampin' Up. I'm starting with a Mary Merlot vase of 4¼ by 11, scored at 5½, and I'm going to stamp this foliage leaf branch to create a background with a tone-on-tone look on this card base front. I'm using Mary Merlot ink on Mary Merlot cardstock and just stamping full strength all over the front of the card base. So now I'm going to get a piece of soft suede, and we're going to do another background with this script stamp using soft suede ink, the same type of technique, tone on tone look. So I'm doing full strength and just stamping this 4 times over this 3¼ by 4¼ piece of soft suede cardstock. So for the sentiment, I've chosen to do tone on tone again with the I'm always thinking of you sentiment. And so I tested it there, and I'm going to stamp it on that 1-inch strip. And then I have this little flourish that I'm stamping off 3 times and then stamping over top of that sentiment just to give it a very faint and subtle pattern on that soft suede strip. I'm going to put my ink away and get my paper snips and snip the edge at an angle just to give it some interest. And then on the other end, I have a loopy bow tied with linen thread backed with a glue dot to put there as an embellishment. Now let's look at putting the card together. I have a piece of this beautiful pressed petals designer series paper, specialty designer paper, and I've got that cut at 3x4, and it's going to go over top of this soft suede piece. I'm going to angle that for interest, and then when I put the designer paper on, I'm going to angle it the other way. And so I'm using some Snell adhesive, turning that right side up, and just putting it over top. Now I have the sentiment, and I have also a piece of scallop lace that I had thought I would put on beforehand, but I'm just going to attach it to the sentiment there as a little touch of sweetness to the card. And so I'm going to position the sentiment, and then the inside of the card is very vanilla, and I stamped just with the ink that was remaining of those stamped pieces on those stamps, and did a very faint leaf and a little flourish image. So there's our card today. You can see the places I put my lace. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkinspirations.com for more details on this card and for more ideas. Thanks for watching.